What is law of cosine in a general triangle? Let's understand. There is a triangle ABC here. It is a scalene triangle. So we have to find out the relation between the side lengths A, B and C. Here we have given the name according to the nomenclature, like this is the angle A and the side opposite to angle A, BC, has given the name small a. Similarly, this is the angle B and the side opposite to the angle B is the side AC. Its name is given as side B, a small b. Its length is a small b. Similarly, angle C, this is angle C and the side opposite to the angle C is side AB, which length is the small letter c. So let's understand the relation between A, B and C. For that, we are going to draw a perpendicular from the vertex B here on the side AC. This is a 90-degree. Now, here we have drawn this perpendicular uh, from the vertex B here, so we can get a right angle triangle, and then we can apply the right angle concepts, all that we have learned. For example, in this case, there are two right angle triangle. One is the AB, and if I name this point as something, let's say M, then ABM is one right angle triangle and BMC is the another right angle triangle. If you look at into the triangle BAM, here in the triangle BAM, BA side is the hypotenuse because this is the side opposite to the 90-degree here. So this is hypotenuse and this angle is theta here. So side opposite to the angle theta is this BM. This is a perpendicular P and this is the base. AM is the base. So we know that if this theta is given and the hypotenuse length is given, that is C, then we can say that perpendicular P is going to be C of sine theta. So this is going to be C of sine theta. Similarly, this AM, that is the base, is going to be C of cos theta. C of cos theta. So we found the length BM and AM. Here our length BM is BM, that is a perpendicular C of sine theta, and AM is C of cos theta. Now we can look at in triangle, this is the right angle triangle BMC. In the triangle BMC, BC is the hypotenuse and BM and MC are the legs of the triangle BMC. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here to find the side A. So using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is that square of the hypotenuse square is equal to square of sum of the square of other two legs. So I can write simply a statement: hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of legs. That means here hypotenuse is h, so h square is equal to another two sides BM and MC square, so BM square plus MC square, and this hypotenuse h is A, so A square is BM is C sine theta, C sine theta square, and MC is AC, the whole thing is B minus AM. So you can say this is AC. Now we can calculate it. So here we can get A square is equal to C sine theta square is C square sine square theta plus AC is B and AM is C cos theta. So we got this relation. Now just we have to do the algebraical calculation. So this is going to be A square is equal to C square sine square theta. This is in the form of A minus B whole square. So we know the formula A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So I can use that formula and we can say B square plus C cos theta whole square minus 2 times B times C cos theta. Now it is done almost. So A square C square sine square theta plus B square C cos theta square is C square cos square theta minus 2BC cos theta. So now you can get A square C square sine square theta and C square cos square theta we can group together. C square sine square theta plus C square cos square theta plus B square plus minus 2BC cos theta. So here we can get A square and we can take C square common, that gives C square sine square theta plus cos square theta plus B square minus 2BC cos theta. So now we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this becomes C square plus B square minus 2BC cos theta. So this is our cosine rule. Cosine rule we got here is A square is equal to, if I'm finding A, then B square plus C square minus 2BC cos theta. That theta here is basically the angle A. So I can write the cos A. So based on this pattern, we can also induct our logic. We can make the same logic to find out what will be B square equal to, what will be C square equal to. For example, A square equal to B square plus C square. So if we just look at the pattern, B square is going to be equal to A square plus C square this term. Then minus, and this B and C gets multiplied here, so this A and C we can multiply here, and cos of this angle A is basically the angle opposite to this side. So here the angle is going to be the angle opposite to side B, and side B is this, so angle opposite to this is this angle, so cos B. Similarly, C square is going to be, you have taken C, so A and B is remaining, so we can write A square plus B square, then minus 2 times this AB cos, and this angle here is going to be the angle opposite to the side C, that is cos C. So when the question will be given, it won't be given as a side A, B, C. So we have to understand that the how this formula is actually derived. So if you are taking one of the side, the square of one of the side is equal to the sum of the square of the two other sides, that is remaining, minus 2 times multiplication of the length of the other two sides times cos of the angle opposite to the unknown side. So let's understand this cosine rule into the simple triangle where this ABC and this kind of nomenclature is not given. So let's see this example here. We have the side length PR and QR, but we don't know the side length of PQ. Suppose I name it X. So I want to find out the value of X. So according to the cosine rule, it is going to be X square is equal to, so this is the one side, the other two remaining side is 5 and 7. So 5 square plus 7 square minus 2 times 5 times 7. And then cos of the angle opposite to X. Angle opposite to X is 44 degrees, so cos 44 degree. So this is going to be 25 plus 49 minus 5 to the 10, 7 just 70 cos 44. So This is going to be 70 times cos 44 is going to be 50.35. So approximately we can say it is almost equal to, if I write into the two decimal places, 50.35, and then 25 plus 49 is going to be equal to 74. So 74 minus 50.35, that is going to be 23.65. So x square is this. So to find the value of x, we can find the square root of 23.65, and that is going to be something 4.863. So I can approximately write the value 4.86 up to two decimal places. So x is going to be 4.86. So in applying the cosine rule, we have to understand the cosine rule in this way. The unknown side square is equal to the known sides, like sum of square of other two sides, other two sides, minus 2 times multiplication of the 2 times product of two remaining sides, two other sides, or remaining sides, you can say other sides, times cos of which angle? Angle opposite to the unknown side, right? You can say angle opposite to the unknown side, that theta, like this. So we'll look at more examples for the law of cosines. There the concept will be clear.